Has it ever crossed your mind that Mars, our neighboring red planet, may have borne witness to a massive thermonuclear explosion in its past? A theory that might sound straight out of a science fiction novel, yet carries a profound weight of evidence behind it. Today, we delve into the fascinating paper by Johnny Brandenburg titled Evidence of a Massive Thermonuclear Explosion on Mars in the Past, the Cydonian Hypothesis, and Fermi's Paradox. The crux of this paper revolves around puzzling data from Mars. The Martian atmosphere sports an unusual concentration of Xenon 129, and the planet's surface shows an excess abundance of uranium and thorium, elements not typically found in such quantities on Mars meteorites. The explanation? According to Brandenburg, these anomalies can be traced back to two large thermonuclear explosions on Mars. These explosions, as per the data, seem to have occurred in the northern plains of Mars, specifically in Mare Acidalium and in Utopia Planum. Intriguingly, both of these locations are home to possible archeological artifacts. The xenon isotope mass spectrum of the Mars atmosphere eerily matches that of open-air nuclear testing on Earth, providing further backing to this explosive hypothesis. But what could cause such a monumental event? The theory suggests that the explosions were due to very large fusion-fission devices, similar to those seen on Earth, with the larger of the two having an estimated radius of about 80 meters. The aftermath of such an event would be cataclysmic, akin to the Chicxulub event on Earth, capable of a global climate change on Mars. The absence of craters at the site suggests the centers of the explosions were above the ground, further adding to the mystery. These findings have led to a reconsideration of the Cydonian Hypothesis, a theory that postulates the existence of intelligent life on Mars in the past. To summarize, the evidence of a high concentration of Xenon 129 in the Martian atmosphere, the presence of excess uranium and thorium on the Martian surface, and the correlation of these findings with the locations of potential archaeological sites all point towards the possibility of a massive thermonuclear explosion on Mars in the past. The implications of these findings are colossal. If true, they could reshape our understanding of Mars's history and potentially the history of life in our solar system. The scientific paper from Brandenburg brings us face to face with the tantalizing possibility that Mars, our quiet neighbor, might have a history far more turbulent than we ever imagined. And so, we find ourselves standing on the edge of a scientific frontier, peering into the mysteries of our universe. As we continue to explore and understand, we uncover the possibility that Mars, the red planet, might have experienced a catastrophic event that forever altered its landscape and potentially its capacity for life. The quest for knowledge continues, and every discovery only adds another piece to the vast, intricate puzzle that is our universe.